Yeah, buddy. Y'all see where I'm at. BNR. I'm working on a little something. I gotta get in a little bit better condition and I'm gonna post it. But for right now, these captain seats gonna work. Oh, way. They wanted 600 in Los Angeles. Over here is, I'm gonna tell you, they ain't 600. About to get this work. Yeah, they got everything here. And everything's missing motors though. Escalade missing the motor. This Trans Am right here, this blue one. Somebody got hurt in that car real bad. They missing the motor. Man. I'm gonna show you this one though. This is 2007 Suburban. We had G10. If y'all wanna come up here and get some parts. Man, I hope they was alright. With this big ass truck though, don't look that bad. I ain't dealing with pickup part no more. They got everything you need here, boy. They got motors, transmissions, anything you need. Look, motor's gone out of everything. Anything LS, the motor is gone. Denali, gone. Let's check out this Escalade here. Ooh-wee, gone. Look, they even got stuff sitting on the floor. Well, let's check out this V. Gone. Yeah, this is a spot though. I like this place. I'm about to get up out of here before I hurt myself. Before I hurt my pockets. Uh-oh. We got another one, Mike. And it's gone. 2006 Suburban. We're gonna creep up on her. Gone. Anything about LS ain't lasting in here, man. He said they sell them out quick. They sell 5.3, 6.0s. And then they sell them for respectable prices, so I don't know, man. I've been wanting to come up here for a minute, so I might start getting my LSs from up here or something. Depend, you know, they give you warranty on them too. That's what I like. Somebody was sitting in the under the hood. All right, it's the guru, and I'm out. So I was gonna wait to post it, but I'm gonna go ahead and do it now. She all cleaned up. What's up, man? Well, she cleaned up for the most part. Just a little stuff they gotta get cleaned out. All the interior getting swapped out to hey, how you doing? Very well, thanks for asking. Getting all these, I'm about to spray these black. I like black. I had a detailer guy come in and clean the carpets and all that stuff, so all the plastic trim about to get removed. I got these black seats so far. When I was at BNR wrecking, that's why I was getting the seats for these. The captain seats for those. She got a big old sunroof up there. A big old TV up there. I also got that up there from BNR. That was a cool little junkyard, man. I never been in that one. Just keeping it honest. Keeping it real. So under the hood, I was happy to see these things. It's just a little 5.3. And after inspecting, oh wait, y'all see what that say? Yeah, 243s. That's a plus right there. So first mod up, cheap coat air intake. After that, they have to pull the seats from the yard. Whatever it is, what it is. I thought they was gonna be done today, but they not. So I'm gonna go grab them. I got a plastic trim back there. I'm gonna take it to get them pressure washed. These seats right here aren't bad, but they aren't black, and yeah, they're not black. The whole interior about to get gonna be black when I'm done with it. Y'all go check out my other video. It's like 2002, 2001 Tahoe Cold Black. So I'm gonna do another one, name this one Cold Black. Cold Black means all black. I'm gonna spray all this black. I'm gonna leave the brown trimming, spray everything else black. Oh damn, I didn't even know this had a Bose. What the hell? Check that out. Bose. I didn't even notice that. There's a lot of stuff about this SUV that I'm just now noticing, but yeah, this one getting cold black for sure. So y'all stay tuned, watch out for this one. It got some little dents and dings on it or whatever. It's nothing. Take them to go get painted. You know I do the videos for my customers. What's wrong with this stupid ass phone, man? It's not focusing. Y'all know I do the videos for my customer. I'm doing this one for me. This is about to be this is gonna be the wife's, but it's gonna be like the both of ours. But it's gonna be at her spot, her parking spot. And it's a LT, it's not LTZ. But it's about to look like an LTZ. I don't need a two-wheel drive and all that. I don't go off-roading. Oh, let me show you something on the other running board too. I don't know what happened. But it got that right there, so that's coming too. Just this side, I'm not replacing both of them, just replacing that one. Got them wheels on there. So my dumb self didn't even pay attention. He gave me another rim with it, and I didn't pay attention. I put this rim on instead of putting the other one on. So I'm gonna go get the other one, a brand new tire, put that one. Put this underneath the car for the spare. See that? Brand new down tire. But it's cool, I ain't tripping off of it. So y'all stay tuned. I think I'm gonna name her Big Bertha. I'm gonna wash her up. I'm gonna, damn, flies. Give her a pressure wash and all that. 5.3. Y'all know I got the HP tuners. Y'all know I gotta put put a little in it. Oh wait. Huh? No, it's good, bro. I wasn't even using it. You good? You going anywhere? I'll be here. So, I don't even know why I'm making this video. This little thing right here, pretty much. It's one clamp that goes to the throttle body. Just take that off. I put all that all together. It's pretty nice, huh? And then you just gotta pull this crap up, 10mm. It's 4 bolts. Snatch all 4 of those up, and that's where it came off of. This little piece right here, I just popped it right up for the like the 2000 to like 2006. It's an 8mm bolt right here, and it just unscrew that and pop off the intake. And then this car pretty much just, once you move this little plate down here, it just bolts right in. And then they got like the little rubber and all that crap that you can put on it too. So yeah, just a little cheap little cold air intake. K&N, this one, that one, they all do the same shit. I would prefer the I'm not gonna lie, I would prefer the plastic one, that aluminum, that little aluminum, whatever material that one is, holds a little bit of heat. But what ifs. Yep, I know I'm lazy. You got one more right there. And then after that, put a little heifer up, set it to the side. And I am going to be degreasing this thing too. Y'all probably like, man, why you ain't working on none of your swaps? Well, the wife and the kids went down to California to go to the theme parks. And I'm like, man, I'm about to get a gang of work done. I left my garage clicker in the damn car, which I never do. And yeah, I can't get in my garage. So, sucks for me, huh? So everything lines up about 15 minutes in. The only thing that didn't line up was that part right there. I had to drill it and basically, put a bolt right there. But this is your original mass airflow. You have to use this one, or you can use any one, but I'm using my original mass airflow. But you see that little screen in there? The screen robs horsepower. So you want to convert your mass airflow into a high mass airflow. I'm going to show you how. Oh, wait. There you have it. All you do is take like a little freaking screwdriver, turn it upside down like this. So it's in there like that. Take a flathead, bop, 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 and it's gonna knock it out. So I'm gonna get bad comments for this, thumbs down, whatever. I don't really care. I do it all the time, never have any issues, and it makes a big difference. And yeah, on to the next one. Your original, this is gonna come off here like this. Just pop that crap off. Put it right on here. I don't know why these little ass things is hard to find. Whenever I go to the junkyard, I buy them. All of them. Yes, I buy them. So put that on there like that. Your mass airflow is going to go through there, and then you're going to take it over here. Alright, so now we got it on there. If you look on here, it'll tell you which way the flow is, so make sure you put in the flow, oh shucks, the right way. Push it in, tighten everything down. So the air starts here, it goes here, then it goes into your engine. Well, dumb phone always running out of storage, so that's what we ended up with. Make sure your mass airflow pointing the right way. Let's do this first startup. Turn the AC off. No check engine light. It just started. So what? Still ain't got no check engine light. Alright, I'm gonna do a quick rev.